asked some students in English department, how did you improve your language skills? They answered in this way.
Reading what I like the most in English.
Listening to music and radio.
Trying and never giving up.
When I saw any new words, I turned back to the dictionary. In the way, I saw more synonyms. It got me interested in the language.
When I made mistakes, I learned it more due to supportive environment of the class.
I found fun ways for learning English language like social media and online games.
I improved my language skills through reading short stories.
What's the title of your short story?
The boat.
Is it a real or imaginary story?
Real.
How long does it take to read a short story?
10 minutes every day.
Which part of the story did you enjoy the most?
The last part, when the antagonist was died.
What's the moral of your short story?
The moral was never give up. If you want anything in your life, you can achieve.
Great.
Who was your favorite character?
Let me sleep on it. My favorite character was Axel.
Nice.
Can you summarize your story?
The story was about two loyal friends.
Good.
Hello everyone. We at Paytəxt Technical Institute always aim at improving our learners' language skills. To make our vision come true, we continuously try to find out new methods and strategies and take empirical steps to implement them. One step that we have taken recently was giving short stories to our students at the Institute. Each student was given a short story and was asked to translate it into Kurdish. This helps them to learn new words, improve their grammar, and understand English texts better. Also, learning how to prepare presentations and an academic debate are among the targets of this task. Prior to giving them this kind of tasks, most of our students were feeling anxious when they come into class or while practicing their English. However, the task was proven that it could add much more encouragement and self-confidence. Thus, the learning outcomes were unexpectedly marvelous, and some were even beyond what we dreamed for. The bottom line is that we want to increase our students' motivation and decrease anxiety by creating positive learning environment.